Dear student, welcome in my class. Today we are going to discuss a very good concept of the maxima and minima. So our question is based on a sin theta plus b cos theta. Here suppose we are going to find fx is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta base question. A sin theta plus b cos theta base question and यहाँ पर हम a sin theta and b cos theta की maximum and minimum value find करेंगे. Always remember in your mind that a sin theta plus b cos theta is always less than equal to root a square plus b square or greater than equal to minus root a square plus b. This is a very good concept for the maxima and minima. And today question based on this concept. So this is a very important point for you कि value of a sin theta plus b cos theta हमेशा root a square plus b square and root a square plus b square के बीच में होती है. This is very good concept. It means maximum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to root a square plus b square and minimum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta is minus root a square plus b. Okay, so student again listen what is the important here. If the function is in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta, अगर हमारा फंक्शन a sin theta plus b cos theta के फॉर्म में होगा तो उसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू माइनस रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर होगी ऑलवेज. Let us try to solve this problem. Let us try to solve this problem. Here function fx is given 4 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta plus 6 sin theta cos theta plus 10. ये आपका फंक्शन. We can write 5 cos square theta is 4 cos square theta plus cos square theta. Then we take 4 common. So fx is equal to 4 sin square theta 5 cos square theta को लिख सकते हो 4 cos square theta प्लस cos square theta. 6 को ब्रेक कीजिए. अगेन वी ब्रेक 6 here. This is 3 into 2 sin theta cos theta plus 10. 6 is also break. 3 into 2. Here we take 4 common. If we take 4 common, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. This becomes 1. And cos square theta plus 3 and this is your sin 2 theta plus 10. Everyone knows value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is your 4 plus cos square theta plus 3 sin 2 theta plus 10. Student, cos square theta is easily converted into cos 2 theta. We know that. Here we apply the formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. It means cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2. We apply this formula here. Cos square theta in place of cos square theta की place पे we write 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2 theta. थोड़ी जगह बना लेते हैं. Okay student. Now our function become fx is equal to 4, this is 1 by 2, 2 theta plus 3 sin 2 theta plus 10. Open the bracket, this is 4 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 and this is 1 by 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 sin 2 theta plus 10. We can arrange this is sin 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta and 5 by 2 plus 10. What is 5 by 2 plus 10? 5 by 2 plus 10 means this is your 25 by 2. 25 by 2. So we can easily find the maximum and minimum value of this function. Then we added 25 by 2 in the answer. So the maximum value of this value is lies between 3 sin 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta is always lies between root 3 square plus 1 by 2 square and here negative times root 3 square plus 1 by 2. According to our rule a sin theta plus b cos theta maximum and minimum value. So this is 9 and 9 for the 30 on 37 by 4 is less than equal to 3 sin 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta is less than equal to root 37 by 4. So this is your maximum value and this is your minimum value. Now we can easily write what is the maximum and minimum value of the function. So maximum value is root 37 upon 2 square root of 4 plus 25 is added in both because 25 is in our equation and the minimum value is minus root 37 by 2 plus 25 by 2. So this is your minimum and 25 is added in both. So here we see that how very easily we can find the value of maxima and minima such type of trigonometric function which are very easily arranged in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta. Students, let us move to our next problem. The problem is if p and q are positive real numbers such that the value of p square plus q square is equal to 1, then here is then maximum value of p plus q. AM GM based question are asked in JEE 2007, concept based on AM. For new students, those who are watching first time my video, I want to tell you AM of two number is a plus b by 2 and GM of two number is root ab. And student, AM is always greater than equal to GM. So we use this concept here to find the maximum value of the question. So it is given that the value of p square and q square is equal to 1. So let consider p square and q square be two numbers. Our two numbers are p square and q square. So we find the AM of two number is p square plus q square upon 2 and GM is root p square q square. It means this is your PQ. We take positive value and we know that AM is greater than equal to GM. Means p square plus q square upon 2 is always greater than equal to PQ. the value of p square and q square is equal to 1, so this is 1 by 2 is greater than equal to pq. From this inequality we see that our pq is less than 1 by 2. Our pq is less than 1 by 2. But we want to find p plus q. So here we apply a formula p plus q whole square. What is the value of? We know that p plus q whole square is equal to p square q square plus pq. Student, this value is 1 and here the inequality is less than 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2. So the value of p plus q whole square is less than equal to this. Is less than equal to this value. So here we see that 2 to cancel out. So p plus q whole square is less than equal to 2. So the value of p plus q whole square is less than equal to 2. It means p plus q is less than equal to 2. All the value of p plus q is always less than equal to 2. So our maximum value is root 2. So D is your final answer. So maximum value is root 2. So student, note down